Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts to a Consumer Cellular flip phone. First, you have to flip the phone open. Then press the OK menu or center button to enter the main menu. Now use the up or down arrow keys to scroll. Here, highlight contacts or phone book. After that, press OK to open it. You can look for options like add new contact, and create contact. Following that, press OK to continue. Then use the keypad to type the person's name. Next, press OK or save the proceed. Now, type the number using the number keys. Make sure to double check for mistakes. Here, press OK or save again. Some flip phones add save to phone and save to SIM card option. After that, choose phone for more storage or SIM if you want the contact to move with your SIM. Depending on the model, you may add additional numbers, email, ringtone, and photo. A photo is added to some advanced flip phones. Lastly, press save when finished. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.